a hot day. It's that quick. I'm already sweating. I got some more, but you know, you take some of this, you take some of that, and then you take what I got in the trunk, and you put it all together, and watch what happens. Don't nothing touch my pole but catfish. No turtles, no nothing. These, come on here. Watch this. Me and fish like these. Bait stink, you hear me? It definitely stink. But ain't too much conversation today. I'm out here by myself, so. Next pole combination. Chicken liver. Blood. Don't need all the chicken liver, just take a little bit off. Just make this right here stronger so it don't come out the hook once you blend it. I blend it all the way together. Use a little bit of water. Good day out here today though, it ain't too bad right now.